Your back might be small because your forearms are weak. You train pull-ups, you train rows, you train your back hard, but if your grip gives up early, everything stops. If your hands fail, your back stops growing. Simple as that. To build a strong back, you must build strong forearms. Most people ignore them. That is why they stay stuck. Forearms are not just grip. They control every pull, every row, every heavy hold. And here is the truth. Your wrist bones will not grow. That is genetics, but your forearm muscles can grow, and they grow fast. When forearms grow, your wrists look thicker, your arms look stronger, even without flexing. This is where most people fail. They train the wrong muscles, in the wrong way, endless wrist curls, zero results. Forearms grow when you train function, not numbers. There are 4 things that actually matter: elbow flexion, wrist flexion, and extension, forearm rotation, and grip strength. When these improve, your grip becomes unbreakable, your arms look thicker, and every shirt fits better. But there is one muscle that changes everything: the brachioradialis, the muscle that gives forearms that thick, powerful look. Most people never train it directly. That is why nothing changes. The solution is simple. You do not need heavy weights, you do not need long workouts, you need the right angles. Pronated curls wake up the brachioradialis, dead hangs build raw grip strength, towel hangs force your forearms to adapt, rice bucket drills train the small forgotten muscles, fingertip push-ups harden your wrists and fingers. Train these consistently, push close to failure, stay patient. This is how weak forearms turn strong. This is how your grip stops failing. This is how your back finally grows. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more, and start training smarter.